now in the colors of your skin. And it's how I hear the stars coming brightly, and it's how I'm falling in. It's a puzzle I can't put together. It's a song I can't quite hear. When I try too much to put it in the bottle, when I try to hold it in, when I least expect it, I see beauty all around, and it overwhelms my body, don't it? Like a light without a ground. It's when I glance you from the nothing, from the space between the waves, well, it brings me high like I'm needed, but it's hard to stay that way. Well, so it comes to me in waves now. If I could show you how it starts, it's the colors from your heartbeat brightly. It's when I see you in the stars. It's the way that I get lost now in the colors of your skin. It's how I hear the stars coming brightly. It's how